This essay example, as well as thousands of others, is available in text format on our website for free and without registration. Simply Google Ivy Panda Free Essays.
The Murder by John Steinbeck tells the story of a man named Jim and his wife, Jelka. They live on a farm, and their relationship is strange and distant. As Jim is unable to find a true partner in his wife, he leaves the house to meet another woman at the local town establishment. Jelka is described as a beautiful, attentive wife who can predict Jim's wishes. The story ends when Jim finds his wife and her cousin together, kills the man with his rifle, and then beats Jelka, after which she cooks him breakfast as if nothing has happened. An Error in Chemistry by William Faulkner centers on a man who kills his wife and calls the sheriff to admit his deed. After he is taken to jail, he amazingly escapes. No one is aware of his whereabouts, and the sheriff and the town people are dealing with an old man who has locked himself in a room and does not come out. Everything goes according to the murderer's plan until the moment when he collects the insurance and sells the land. He is then discovered to be impersonating the old man while the real father of his wife is killed. Both of these stories are filled with mystery, and the reader is left wondering until the very end. In The Murder by John Steinbeck, the plot is left unspecified, and there are no details that can lead to anything to be understood by the reader. The way Jelka is described cannot be linked to anything in the story, as her character is rather strange, even to her husband, Jim. The references that are made to the farm and the calf do not reveal any plot details but seem to confuse them even more. The mysterious nature of the story comes to light when Jim decides to leave, and Jelka is knitting, as it is unclear why she is acting in such a strange way, and the discovery that Jim makes proves the irregular nature of her actions. William Faulkner's An Error in Chemistry has a plot that is filled with mystery. The reader cannot imagine any possibility of how the murderer got out of jail and why he wanted to go there in the first place. The sheriff contemplates why he would want to admit the murder instead of quietly and quickly escaping. The mysterious nature of events makes one wonder how the plot will unravel and what the ending will be, which greatly adds to the mystery of the story. In the end, the mystery is discovered, but the story's effect is still strong through the illustration of deception. The stories belong in the mystery genre, as many questions are unanswered to the end. They might be considered criminal or detective stories since both involve murders and are somewhat of an investigation. The key to any mystery story is to make sure that the readers are unaware of the truth, thus creating a plot that does not become clear until the ending phrases. Both authors have shown that they have intricate knowledge of the human mind and are able to create twists unexpected to the reader. Even after finishing the stories, some details remain undiscovered, greatly adding to the mysterious effect. Did you like this The Murder by John Steinbeck and An Error in Chemistry by William Faulkner sample? To get more works like this one, make sure to check out the free database of academic paper examples at ivypanda.com. You will find thousands of samples for all your study needs, without even having to register.